I'm with Jasper Fischer. Hello.
Hi.
Could you please sum up what you say at the session, please?
Yeah, well, we talked about Let's Stay in Touch 2.0, and basically my main point was that if you want to do 2.0 in your institution, if you want to be successful at it, success meaning getting more people to visit your venue, getting more people to enjoy your events, etc., maybe even getting more money, you need to treat 2.0 or social media as part of your whole strategy rather than just a separate entity, a separate department, a separate small group of people in the basement doing Twitter and Facebook.
Yes. And you spoke about content too?
Yes, I spoke about content. I think the key to successful use of 2.0 social media and the internet, regardless of how you call it, is content. Science centers, museums, they do have great content, and great content is the first step to building a sustainable relationship with an online audience that in the end will help your organization flourish.
Okay, just in a few words, what are you doing now?
I run my own agency helping organizations solve these issues. What we, in a few words, that is, we provide first aid for the 21st century. We put the plaster, or I call it a band-aid, where it hurts hardest: digital strategy, fundraising, and sustainable relationships with the audience.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.